Have you ever wondered why your business isn't growing as fast as you'd like, despite all your efforts? Or why your website isn't ranking well on search engines even though you've followed all the best practices? The struggle is real. In a digital landscape that's constantly evolving, business growth and search engine optimization, or SEO, can feel like a complex puzzle. It's a world where algorithms shift like sand and yesterday's best practices may not hold water today. Many businesses grapple with this, trying to unlock the secret to online visibility. They pour resources into generic SEO solutions, hoping for a breakthrough. But these one-size-fits-all strategies often fall short. They lack the personal touch, the understanding of your unique business needs and goals. They don't consider the specific challenges your industry may face, or the particular strengths of your team. But what if there was a solution that can address these challenges head-on? A solution that is tailored to your business needs and empowers your team. Welcome to DWY SEO. Introducing Done With You SEO, a collaborative approach that combines your in-depth industry knowledge with the expertise of seasoned SEO professionals. Instead of a one-size-fits-all solution, Done With You SEO is a tailored strategy molded to fit the unique needs of your business. It's a partnership, a symbiosis, a synergy of minds that takes your business to new heights. Imagine a world where your business's intimate understanding of its own industry is harnessed by SEO professionals to create a targeted strategy. This is the heart of Done With You SEO. It's not about outsourcing your SEO needs to a third party and hoping for the best. Instead, it's about working hand in hand with experts who understand the intricacies of SEO and who can guide you in implementing effective practices that align with your business's unique needs and goals. But Done With You SEO is not just about collaboration. It's about empowerment. It's about providing your team with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate the murky waters of SEO. It's about transforming your team into confident sailors capable of steering your business's SEO ship, even in the roughest of digital seas. And this isn't just theory. Done With You SEO can significantly enhance your business's online visibility and traffic. By leveraging both internal insights and expert guidance, you can climb the search engine rankings, attract more web traffic, engage more customers, and ultimately, drive more conversions. It's about creating a robust online presence that draws in visitors and turns them into loyal customers. But what makes Done With You SEO truly special is its emphasis on continual learning and adaptation. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying ahead of the game requires an understanding of the latest trends and algorithm changes. With our Done With You SEO, you're not just keeping up with the digital world, you're staying one step ahead. Now you might be wondering, does this really work? Let's dive into some real-world success stories. Let's look at how the Done With You SEO approach has transformed businesses across various industries. First, consider the story of a local bakery that was struggling to make its mark in the digital world. Their website was as stale as yesterday's muffins. They knew their baked goods were top-notch, but their online visibility was crumbly at best. Enter Media Ace Marketing with our Done With You SEO. By working closely with the bakeries team, they developed a tailored SEO strategy that emphasized the uniqueness of their offerings and their community spirit. The result? A sweet rise in online visibility, increased web traffic, and a significant boost in sales. Next, let's talk about a small-town law firm. They had the expertise, they had the experience, but they lacked the online presence to compete with larger firms. With our Done With You SEO service, they didn't just receive a generic SEO plan. They were educated and empowered, learning how to leverage their local knowledge to their advantage. Today they're not just surviving, they're thriving, with a robust online presence that reflects their real-world reputation. Lastly, consider a family-owned plumbing service. Despite providing reliable and essential services to their community for decades, their online visibility was, well, in need of repair. They knew plumbing, not SEO. Media Ace Marketing's Done With You SEO approach stepped in, working alongside the business to understand their unique challenges and goals. The outcome was a surge in their online rankings, a flood of new customers, and a business that's stronger than ever. These stories are not unique. Across the board, SEO has helped businesses overcome challenges, improve their online visibility, and stimulate growth. From bakeries to law firms, from plumbing services to pet grooming parlors, the power of Done With You SEO is making a real difference. These success stories are proof that SEO isn't just a concept, it's a proven strategy that drives results. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and staying ahead of the curve is key to maintaining and enhancing your SEO performance. This is a truth that we can't afford to ignore in today's digitally driven world. But don't worry, Media Ace Marketing has got you covered. In the realm of SEO, the only constant is change. Search engines regularly tweak their algorithms, user behavior shifts, and new competitors emerge. This dynamic environment requires a flexible approach to SEO that can adapt and evolve. This is where Done With You SEO truly shines. At the heart of Media Ace Marketing's SEO service is a commitment to ongoing learning and adaptation. It is not just about implementing a strategy and leaving it at that. It's about continually refining that strategy, staying abreast of the latest trends, and adjusting to the ever-changing digital landscape. This is achieved through a collaborative model that combines the strengths of your internal team with the expertise of SEO professionals. And that's not all. Done With You SEO doesn't just adapt to changes, it anticipates them. By keeping a finger on the pulse of digital trends, Media Ace Marketing, with their Done With You SEO, helps your business stay one step ahead. This proactive approach ensures your SEO strategy is not just reactive, but future-proof, ready to face whatever the digital world throws at it. Moreover, Done With You SEO is about empowerment through education. It's about equipping your team with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of SEO. It's not just about solving the problems of today, but preparing your business for the challenges of tomorrow. This continuous education fosters a culture of learning and growth within your organization, strengthening your team's ability to manage future SEO challenges independently. In essence, are Done With You. SEO isn't just a service, it's a partnership. It's a commitment to working together, learning together, and growing together. It's about embracing the future with confidence, knowing that you have the tools, knowledge, and support to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Done With You SEO isn't just about solving today's challenges, it's about equipping your business for future success. So, are you ready to unlock your business's growth potential with Done With You SEO? The power to transform your online visibility, to drive more traffic to your website, to engage more customers, and to realize your business's growth aspirations lies in your hands. It's about embracing a partnership, a collaborative model that brings together your unique business insights and our technical SEO expertise. Picture this, a tailored SEO strategy that fits your business like a glove, an empowered team that understands and can navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape, and the continual growth and adaptation that keeps your business on the cutting edge. That's the promise of Done With You SEO. It's not just about doing SEO for you, it's about doing it with you, fostering a synergistic relationship that enhances your SEO efforts. So, are you ready? Take the next step in your business growth journey with Media Ace Marketing's Done With You SEO, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how to drive your business success.